Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do all summer in a day. So do watch it till the end and never miss a notification from my channel. So you need to subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So this story is set on the planet Venus where the sun shines for only 2 hours once every 7 years. It opens on the day that the sun is due to make its appearance once again. Margaret and the other children in her school on Venus are 9 years old. Margaret came from Earth to Venus 5 years ago. Therefore, she can accurately recalls the sun and the way it looked and felt as it shone on her when she was back in Ohio. So she was from Ohio. However, this is not the case with the other children. They were far too young to remember that the sun was like when last it shone upon them. They can only imagine the warmness of that sun upon their arms and legs. Margaret tells the others that the sun is round like a penny and hot like a fire in the stove. The other children accuse her of lying, and they show their resentment by locking in her in a closet. When the Venus rains finally stop and sun comes out, it sends a flaming bronze color throughout the jungle growth. The children soak up the life-giving sunshine until the rain starts to fall again. The children now know that the Margaret was telling the truth about the sun. Then and only then do they remember that Margaret is still locked in the closet. Prior to the sun's appearance, the children are described as being so pale, and they were ashamed that they locked Margaret in a closet. Yet she was saying truth. So the rain was has washed the yellow from their hair, the blue from their eyes, and the red from their lips. So this is the kind of imagery that the rain has washed the yellow from their hair, the blue from their eyes, and the red from their lips. The good qualities in their personalities have also seemingly been washed away because the children are quick-tempered and spiteful. Finally, the children remember Margaret, but for her, it is too late. She must wait 7 years to see the sun again. So what happened that as they locked Margaret in a closet, she was not able to see the sun again, and now she has to wait for 7 years to see the sun again. So right now I'm going to read the chapter, and line by line I will be giving you the explanation for it. So the story starts with the conversation between the children. They say, "Ready, ready, now, soon." They are discussing about the sun. They are waiting so eagerly for the sun and are talking, "Ki ready, now, soon." Do the scientists really know? Will it happen today? Will it? वो आपस में बात कर रहे हैं कि साइंटिस्ट सच बोल रहे थे ना, आज होगा, ऐसा होगा. Look, see for yourself. The children pass to each other like so many roses, so many weeds, intermixed, peering out for a look at the hidden sun. तो इसका मतलब हुआ कि जो चिल्ड्रन हैं वो अच्छे भी होते हैं, उन्हें रोजेस के साथ कंपेयर किए, और जो नोटी होते हैं उन्हें वीड्स के साथ. तो मतलब बच्चे शरारती भी होते हैं. तो उसके बाद कहते हैं कि इट हैड बीन रेनिंग फॉर 7 years. ये वीनस की डिस्क्रिप्शन आ गई है. तो इट हैड बीन रेनिंग फॉर 7 years and thousands upon thousands of days compounded and filled from one end to the other with rain, with the drum and gush of water. ये बता रहे हैं कि पानी जगह जगह खड़ा हुआ है. इतना ज़्यादा पानी, इतनी ज़्यादा स्टॉर्म्स ने डैमेज की है. द कॉन्कजन ऑफ स्टॉर्म्स सो हैवी दे वर टाइडल वेव्स कम ओवर द आइलैंड्स. तो जो टाइडल वेव्स हैं वो आइलैंड्स के ऊपर आ जाती थी. 1,000 forests had been crushed under the rain and grown upon up 1,000 times to be crushed again. अब ट्रीज़ और फॉरेस्ट भी इसके कारण बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज हुए हैं. एंड दिस way the way of life was forever on the planet Venus, and this was the schoolroom of the children of the rocket men and women who had come to a raining world to set up the civilization and live without their lives. So this was the description of Venus, and children are here described as rocket men and women who had come with their parents to set up a civilization and live here. Why they have come for the civilization, to set up a civilization, and this was the life they were leading on the Venus planet. It's stopping, it's stopping. इसका मतलब कि बच्चे आपस में बात कर रहे हैं कि ये जो रेन हो रही है वो रुक रही है, तो दूसरा बच्चा कहता है यस यस इट इज स्टॉपिंग. Margaret stood apart from them, from these children who could ever remember a time when there wasn't a rain and rain and rain. तो अब यहाँ पर हमें ये दिखाया कि मार्गरेट स्टूड अपार्ट फ्रॉम देम, शी वाज सो ग्लूमी दैट वो सबसे अलग खड़ी हुई है फ्रॉम दिस चिल्ड्रन हु कुड एवर रिमेंबर अ टाइम, क्योंकि उन्हें याद ही नहीं है कि रेन जो सन था वो कैसा दिखता है. बल्कि जो मार्गरेट थी वो 5 साल से यहाँ पर आई हुई है, और वो 4 साल की थी, 4 years की थी जब उसने सन एक्सपीरियंस किया. तो शी वेरी वेल रिमेंबर हाउ द सन लुक्स एंड ऑल अबाउट दैट. बट these children who were experiencing this rain since 7 years, they were not remembering, so they were feeling jealous of her. And then what happens, they were all 9-year-old, and if there had been a day 7 years ago when the sun came out for an hour and showed its face to the stern world, they could not recall. अब ये कह रहे हैं कि अगर जिस दिन भी सन आया था और इन्हें पता था कि सन आया, बट now they could not recall it because they don't remember, क्योंकि उस समय वो बहुत छोटे थे. Now they don't remember how the sun looks like, but Margaret remembers. So what happened, sometimes at night she heard them stir in remembrance, and she knew they were dreaming and remembering gold or a yellow crayon or a coin large enough to buy the world with. तो ये कॉइन, गोल्ड, येलो क्रेयोन, ये किसकी रेफरेंस में कहा गया है? ये सन की रेफरेंस में कहा गया है. तो उसके बाद क्या बोलती है वो कि she knew, they thought, they remembered a warmness like a blushing in the face, in the body, in the arms and legs and trembling hands. तो इसका मतलब है कि जो मार्गेट है वो कह रही है कि वो जानते थे कि वार्मनेस और ब्लशिंग इन द फेस, उनकी जैसे ही वो सन को याद करते थे उनकी फेस के ऊपर एक ब्लश आ जाता था. बट देन दे ऑलवेज अवोक टू द टैटिंग ड्रम. यहाँ पे रेन आर को कहा गया है, रेन्स आर, जो जिस टाइम पे उनकी रेन आती थी. The endless shaking down of clear bead necklaces upon the roof, the walk, the gardens, the forest and the dreams were gone. Clear bead necklaces यहाँ पे drizzling को कहा गया है, जो उसी समय वो अपनी जब ड्रीम्स ले रहे होते थे तो उसी समय उनके रूफ पे जब वो चलते थे, गार्डन्स में, फॉरेस्ट में, उन्हें महसूस होता था कि ड्रिजलिंग हो रही है, और उसी समय their dreams vanishes. All day yesterday they had read in class about the sun, about how like a lemon it was and how hot, and they had written small stones or essays or poems about it. I think the sun is a flower that blossoms for just 1 hour. तो यहाँ पे ये मेटाफर है कि सन को फ्लावर के साथ कंपेयर किया गया है, दैट ब्लूम्स फॉर जस्ट 1 hour. दैट वॉज द मार्गेट्स पोएम read in a quiet voice in the still classroom while the rain was falling outside. अब मार्गेट की जो पोएम थी जो उसने लिखी थी, जैसे आपको पहले ही बताया कि वो उस समय सन के ऊपर स्टोरीज लिख रहे थे, एसेज लिख रहे थे और पोएम्स लिख रहे थे. तो जब मार्गेट की पोएम रीड हुई तो बाहर बारिश हो रही थी. ओ यू डिडंट राइट दैट, प्रोटेस्टेड वन ऑफ द बॉयज़. तो एक बच्चा कहते, ओ यू डिडंट राइट दैट, तुमने उसके बाद जो उसने पॉइंट लिखा था और उसने नहीं लिखा था, वो उसे कहते हैं कि यू डिडंट राइट. सो मार्गेट सेज कि आई डिड. उसी समय टीचर विलियम को टोक देती है. सी सेज विलियम सेड द टीचर, बट दैट वॉज येस्टरडे. नाउ द रेन वॉज स्लैकनिंग. तो स्लैकनिंग का मतलब होता है डिक्रीजिंग, रेन रुक रही थी. एंड द चिल्ड्रन वर क्रश्ड इन द ग्रेट थिक विंडोज. दे वर क्राउडेड, वो झांक रहे थे विंडो से. वेयर इज टीचर, शी विल बी बैक, शी हैड बेटर हरी, वी विल मिस इट. हमें तो शी शुड हरी अप, वी विल मिस इट. दे टर्नड ऑन देमसेल्व्स लाइक अ फिवरिश व्हील ऑल टम्बलिंग स्पोक्स। जैसे यहाँ पे फिवरिश व्हील के जैसे व्हील के ऊपर स्टॉक्स होते हैं ना, है ना, उसी तरह जो बच्चे थे एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़ रहे थे। मार्गेट स्टूड अलोन, यहाँ पे फिर सेकंड रेफरेंस आ गई, यहाँ पर भी बच्चे मार्गेट जो थी सभी बच्चों से अलग खड़ी थी। शी वॉज अ वेरी फ्रेल गर्ल ग्लूमी who looked as if who looked as if she had been lost in the rain for years, and the rain had washed out the blue from her eyes and the red from her mouth and the yellow from her hair. शी वॉज एन ओल्ड फोटोग्राफ डस्टेड फ्रॉम एन एल्बम। तो ये एक मेटाफोर आ गया यहाँ पर, वाइटेंड अवे एंड इफ शी स्पोक एट ऑल हर वॉइस वुड बी अ गोस्ट। नाउ शी स्टूड सेपरेट स्टेयरिंग एट द रेन, अब वो सबसे अलग खड़ी हुई है, एंड द लाउड वेट वर्ल्ड बियॉन्ड द ह्यूज ग्लास। ये विंडो के पास, बाहर से विंडो के अंदर से ही देख रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब है हर्ड वेरी, शी वॉज हियरिंग वेरी लेस एंड डजंट वॉन्टेड टू she was not taking rain as with much liveliness. So William says what are you looking at, ये सेकेंड बुली कर रहे हैं बच्चे उसे। तो मार्गेट कुछ नहीं कहती, मार्गेट said nothing. So speak when you are spoken to, वो उसे कहते हैं जब बोलने का वक्त हो तो बोला करो, उसे ऐसे ताना मार रहे हैं। तो उसके बाद कहते हैं he gave her a shove, उसे एक झटका देते हैं, हिलाते हैं उसे, फोर्सफुल पुश करते हैं। But she did not move, rather she let herself be moved only by him and nothing else. तो सिर्फ अपने वेट से नहीं वो हिली, बट उसके मूव से ही वो, सिर्फ उसके पुश से ही वो इतना हिल गई। तो दे एज्ड अवे फ्रॉम हर, दे वुड नॉट लुक एट हर, शी फेल्ट देम गो अवे, तो वहाँ से उधर से वो चले जाते हैं। एंड दिस वॉज बिकॉज शी वुड प्ले नो गेम्स, ना वो खेलती थी with them in the echoing tunnels of the underground city. If they tagged her and ran, she stood blinking after them and did not follow. और उसके बाद अगर वो उसे परेशान भी करते थे तब भी वो कुछ नहीं कहती थी उन्हें। When the class sang songs about happiness and life and games, her lips barely moved. और जब सारी क्लास गाने गा रही है तो वो बिल्कुल नहीं, मतलब उसकी लिप्स बहुत ही कम मूव हुए थे, नेग्लिजिबल हम कह सकते हैं। Only when they sang about the sun and the summer did her lips move as she watched the drenched windows. And then, of course, the biggest crime of all was that she had come here only 5 years ago from Earth, and she remembered the sun and the way the sun was and the sky was when she was 4 in Ohio. तो मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि वो अभी 5 years ही हुए हैं कि वो यहाँ पर आई है अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, और शी वेरी वेल रिमेंबर्ड हाउ द सन लुक्स लाइक, हाउ द स्काई लुक्स लाइक, एंड then children felt jealous of her, and then they had been on Venus all their lives, and they had been only 2 years old when last the sun came out, and had long since forgotten the color and heat of it and the way it really was. But Margaret remember, और जो बच्चे थे जब सन आया था वीनस में, तब वो सिर्फ 2 years के थे, तो they did not remember how the sun looks like, but Margaret remembered. तो when and now she closes her eyes and says it's like a penny. The children cried that no, it's not, as they are feeling jealousy of her, envious. It's like a fire, she said, in the stove. So they again cried, no, you are lying, you don't remember anything. But she remembered and stood quietly apart from all of them and watched the patterning windows, as children standing in different ways. And once, a month ago, she had refused to shower in the school shower rooms, had clutched her hands to her ears and over her head, screaming, the water must not touch her head. तो इसका मतलब है कि वो नहीं चाहती थी कि वो रेन में भीगे, वो और पानी में जाए. सो आफ्टर दैट डिमली शी सेंस्ड इट, शी वॉज डिफरेंट एंड दे न्यू हर डिफरेंस एंड केप्ट अवे. तो बच्चे भी जानते थे कि हमसे डिफरेंट है, तो उससे दूर ही रहते थे, वो ज़्यादा उससे बात करना पसंद नहीं करते थे, एज दे वर फीलिंग जेलस ऑफ हर. देयर वॉज टॉक दैट हर फादर एंड मदर, अब यहाँ पर एक र्यूमर था, बच्चों ने फैलाया हुआ था कि हर फादर एंड हर मदर वर टेकिंग हर बैक टू अर्थ नेक्स्ट ईयर. तो अब ये एक और उनका कारण बन गया कि वो तो अब देख लेगी सन, तो एक और उनका कारण बन गया जेलस होने का. तो इट सीम्ड वाइटल फॉर टू हर दैट दे डू सो। अब उन्हें इम्पॉर्टेंट नेसेसरी लगता था कि ये ऐसा होगा, दो इट वुड मीन द लॉस ऑफ थाउजेंड्स ऑफ डॉलर्स टू हर फैमिली। अब चाहे उन्हें लाखों का डॉलर्स अरबों का नुकसान हो रहा था, पर वो जाएंगे अब वापस अर्थ पे। एंड सो द चिल्ड्रन हेटेड हर। अब उसका एक और कारण हो गया। तो फॉर ऑल दीज रीजन्स ऑफ बिग एंड लिटल कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज दे हेटेड हर पेल स्नो फेस, इलनेस लाइफलेस मतलब, एंड हर वेटिंग साइलेंस, हर थिननेस अलूफ, एंड हर पॉसिबल फ्यूचर मे गो बैक टू अर्थ। ठीक है, गेट अवे द बॉय गेव हर अनदर पुश, व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर। जैसे थर्ड बुली का कारण है, ये थर्ड बुली कर रहे हैं। तो गेट अवे व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर, कहते हैं किस चीज़ की वेट कर रही, जाओ यहाँ से। देन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम शी टर्न्ड एंड लुक्ड एट हिम, एंड व्हाट शी वॉज वेटिंग फॉर वॉज इन हर आइज। वेल डोंट वेट अराउंड हेयर, क्राइड द बॉय सेवेजली, यू वॉन्ट सी एनीथिंग। कहते हैं हम तुम्हें कुछ नहीं देखने देंगे, तुम यहाँ से चली जाओ। Her lips moved. Nothing, he cried. It was all a joke, wasn't it? He turned to the other children. अब वो बात टालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। वो कहता है it was all a joke, कुछ भी नहीं ऐसा. So nothing's happening today. अब टीचर आ जाती है क्योंकि is it? They all blinked at him and then understanding laughed and shook their heads. Nothing, nothing. Oh, but Margaret whispered, her eyes helpless. But this is the day the scientists predict. They see, they say, they know the sun. All a joke. वो कहते हैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ये सब झूठ बोल रही हो तुम। एंड सीज्ड हर रफली, हे एवरीवन लेट्स पुट हर इन अ क्लोजेट बिफोर द टीचर कम्स। तो अब कहते हैं चलो इसे क्लोजेट में बंद कर देते हैं इससे पहले कि टीचर आए, तो ताकि ये सन देख ही ना पाए जब सन निकले। तो मार्गेट उन्हें मना करती, शी सेज नो, falling back they searched about her, और उसे पकड़ लेते हैं। she was very thin so they could carry her easily, so caught her up and bore her, protesting and then pleading and then crying back into a tunnel, a room, a closet, where they slammed her and locked her। उसे वहाँ पे फेंक देते हैं और लॉक कर देते हैं। they stood looking at the door and saw it tremble from her beating। so अब वो देखते हैं कि कैसे जो ड्रॉर है वो जर्क फील कर रहा है, क्योंकि जो मार्गेट थी वो अंदर से उसे धक्का मार रही थी। दे हर्ड हर मफल्ड क्राइज, अब वो चिल्ला रही कि खोलो खोलो। देन स्माइलिंग दे टर्न्ड एंड वेंट आउट, अब वो हंसते हुए चले जाते हैं। एंड बैक डाउन द टनल जस्ट एज द टीचर अराइव्ड। तो टीचर शी सेज रियली रेडी चिल्ड्रन, शी ग्लांस्ड एट हर वॉच। सो चिल्ड्रन सेज येस, आर वी ऑल हेयर। तो टीचर पूछती आर वी ऑल हेयर, तो बच्चे कहते हैं येस। द रेन स्लैग्ड स्टिल मोर, अब वो और कम होने लग गई। दे क्राउडेड टू द ह्यूज डोर टू गो आउट इन सन, अब वो और क्राउड बना रहे, जल्दी जल्दी सन आए और हम बाहर जाएं। तो रेन स्टॉप हो जाती, द रेन स्टॉप्ड। इट वॉज एज इफ इन द मिडेस्ट ऑफ अ फिल्म कंसर्निंग एन एवलांचे समथिंग हैड फर्स्ट गॉन wrong with the sound apparatus, thus muffling and finally cutting off all noise, all that blasts and repercussions and thunders. And then second ripped the film from the projector and inserted in its place a beautiful tropical slide which did not move or tremor. Means a little a while ago it was raining, means a thunderstorm was there, showing a picture of avalanche, a tornado, a hurricane, a volcanic eruption. So उसके बाद वो बच्चे find करते हैं कि this is a very noisy sound, muffling and finally cutting off all noise. तो दूसरी रील वो डालते हैं that has a beautiful tropical slide which did not move or tremor. The world ground to a standstill. There was all silence there. And then what happened? The silence was so immense and unbelievable that you felt your ears had been stuffed or you had lost your hearing altogether. There was so much of silence that it was feeling like कि बच्चों को सुनना ही बंद हो गया. दे आर बीइंग डेफ. द चिल्ड्रन पुट देयर हैंड्स टू देयर ईयर्स. दे जस्ट क्लोज देयर ईयर्स. दे स्टूड अपार्ट. The door slid back and the smell of the silent waiting world came into them. So as the rain stopped, the children's ears were filled with silence. A door slid open and they rushed out into the sunshine. Now they're running they were obvious to the teachers warning that they had been only given 2 hours as they ran through the rapidly growing foliage and enjoyed the sun burning their skin. The children lost track of time in their playing mood and basking in the sunlight, and before they knew it, a sporadic raindrops had begun to fall. This brought tears in the eyes of some of the children, and they began sadly returning to the school as the last rays of sunlight were replaced by rain clouds. This is, I have given you just an explanation of the further coming uh, lines. So now we shall read. It was the color of the sun came out. It was the color of flaming bronze, and it was very large, and the sky around it was a blazing blue tile color, and the jungle burned with sunlight as the children released from the spell rushed out yelling into the springtime. They're yelling, they're enjoying, they're feeling the sun burning their skin. Now don't go too far, as the teacher gave them warning, as they have only 2 hours, so you wouldn't want to get caught out. But they were running and turning their faces up to the sky. अब वो ऊपर देख रहे थे and feeling the sun on their cheeks. उसकी गर्म हवाएं उसकी feel कर रहे थे. They were feeling the heat of the sun, and they took off their jackets and let the sun burn their arms. Oh, it's better than the sun lamps, isn't it? Much, much better. Children are conversing between them that, oh, it's better, it's very better than the sun lamps. They stopped running and stood in the great jungle that covered Venus. They stopped running and stood in the great jungle that covered Venus. अब वो एक जंगल में रुक जाते हैं that grew and never stopped growing tumultuously, even as if you watched it. It was a nest of octopi clustering up great arms of flesh like weed. So it says कि जो ये जंगल है, it was growing and growing very much. So as it is getting water, now the reader has forgotten about the sunlight photosynthesis, as you might have read. So clustering up great arms of flesh like weed, wavering flowers in this brief spring, it was the color of rubber and ash, this jungle from the many years without sun. It was the color of stones and white cheeses and ink, and it was the color of the moon. अब जो white और black color है ना, वो sun के लिए use हुआ है, ठीक है. The children lay out laughing on the jungle mattresses. How, ये अब आ गया question कि how did they behave after seeing the sun. So the children lay out, मतलब लेट गए, laughing on the jungle mattresses, जंगल के ऊपर अंदर लेट गए, and heard it sigh and squeak under them, resilient and alive. They ran among the trees, they slipped and fell, they pushed, मतलब पागलों वाली हरकतें कर रहे थे. They were laughing, मतलब they were showing their love for the sun, their concern for it, and they pushed each other. They played hide and seek and tag, but most of all they squinted at the sun until the tears ran down their faces. They put their hands up to that yellowness and that amazing blueness, and they breathed to the fresh yellowness. यहाँ पे sun को कहा गया है, और blueness means sky, fresh air, and listened to the silence which suspended them in a blessed sea of no sound and no motion. अब ये साइलेंस क्यों है? क्योंकि रेन की तो आवाज़ होती, बट सन जब आया देर वॉज ऑल साइलेंस. दे लुक्ड एट एवरीथिंग एंड savored everything, enjoyed everything. Savored means enjoyed. Then wildly, like animals escaped from the waves, they ran and ran in shouting circles. They ran for an hour and did not stop running. They were running like animals and escaped from their caves. And then in the midst of their running, one of the girls wailed. जब वो भाग रहे थे तब एक लड़की चिल्लाई, and everyone stopped. The girl standing in the open held out her hand. अब उसने बाहर अपना हाथ निकाला और सभी उसकी पाम के ऊपर देखने लग गए. In the center of it, cupped and huge, it was a single raindrop. अब सेंटर पे वो क्या देखते हैं कि एक सिंगल रेन ड्रॉप है. एंड हाउ शी रिएक्टेड दैट गर्ल, शी बिगैन टू क्राई. शी वॉज शोइंग हर पेन that she never wanted again to rain to come. They glanced quietly at the sun. Oh, a few cold drops fell on their noses. So अब ये चेंज हो रहा है, ये चेंज है यहाँ पे. And their cheeks and their mouth. The sun faded behind a stir of mist. A wind black toward the underground house, and their hands at their sides. And like leaves before a new hurricane, they tumbled upon each and ran. Lightning struck 10 miles away, 5 miles away, a mile, a half mile. The sky darkened into midnight into a flash. So यहाँ पर अब चेंज है कि जो फ्यू कोल्ड ड्रॉप्स ऑन देयर नोज में अब बारिश होने लग गई अगेन. द सन जो था वो वापस जा रहा था, 2 घंटे के लिए आया था. द टाइम वॉज ओवर. सो दे turned and started to walk. अब वो वापस जाने लग गए. And towards their houses, the hands and at sides, and smiles vanishing away. Now they were very in painful manner. They were very sad. A bloom of thunder startled them, and like leaves before a new hurricane. Again the rain came, hurricane. They tumbled upon each other. Tumbled means they एक दूसरे से टकराने लगे. मतलब उन्हें इतना ज़्यादा पेन फील हो रहा था कि अगेन द रेन फॉर 7 years नाउ इट विल रेन. एंड दे नेवर वॉन्टेड अगेन कि रेन आए. बस दे वॉन्टेड टू द सन टू कम, एंड दे वॉन्टेड टू इंजॉय विद इट. नाउ द स्काई डार्कन इन टू मिड नाइट इन अ फ्लैश. उसके बाद जो सन था वो चला गया और द स्काई अगेन डार्केंड. दे स्टूड इन अ डोरवे of the underground for a moment until it was raining hard. They stood वहीं पर खड़े रहे एक डोरवे के अंदर जहाँ पर उन्होंने उसे बंद किया था मार्केट को. Then they closed the door and heard the gigantic sound of the rain. Again the rain came, and it was with gigantic sound in tons and avalanches everywhere and forever. Scene resumed. Here the scene is resumed. Will it be 7 more years? Yes, 7. बच्चे बातें कर रहे हैं. Then one of them gave a little cry. Margaret. Again, now the children remembered. What about Margaret? But she is still in the closet where we locked her. Margaret. They stood as if someone had driven them, like so many stakes into the floor, became still out of shame and guilty. Now they are into the floor. They looked at each other and then looked away. वो वापस जाते हैं. They glanced out at the doorway world that was raining now and raining steadily. They could not meet at each other's glances. They were feeling so guilty that how they looked at Margaret, even if she was saying truth. Their faces were solemn and pain means they were feeling so guilty. They looked at their hands and feet, their faces down. Margaret, one of the girls said. Well, no one moved. Go on, whispered the girl. बार बार वो कह रही थी. They walked slowly down the hall in the sound of cold rain. They turned through the doorway. Now they are running to get Margaret out. They turned through the doorway to the room. वापस जाने लग गए वो मार्गेट के पास. In the sound of the storm and thunder, lightning on their faces, blue and terrible, they walked over to the closet door slowly and stood by it. Now they opened it. Behind the closet door was only silence. They unlocked door even more slowly and let Margaret out. Now they let her out. So it means once again they were back inside. The storm started again in full force. Suddenly one of the children remembered that they had locked Margaret in a closet before they went out. The entire group was solemn and kept their faces down stern as they returned to the place they had locked up Margaret, and she did not even speak a word as they slowly let her out of the closet. Now they were able to comprehend how much Margaret sacrificed when she moved from Earth to Venus. They felt ashamed of their act and let Margaret out of the closet. So this was all for today's video. So I hope you liked the video and have understood this chapter all summer in a day. So thanks for watching. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.